Christians have been charged to be heavily minded and focused on worldly possessions in order to escape condemnation. Reverend Father Peter Ndiane forgave the charge at the burial mass of late Mrs. Christiana Ugbor of Urunnebo village, Enugwu-Ukwu in Njikoka local government area, held at St. Francis Catholic Church, Enugwu-Ukwu. Correspondent Chukwemeka Modelim was there and our reports.
In an interview, the son-in-law of the late Mrs. Ugbor, Chief Anthony Ugoji of Anambra Broadcasting Service, described her as a good mother-in-law who treated him with love and raised her children in the fear of God.
Very close. And therefore, no more and I got a folio
in a vote of thanks, the first son of the deceased, Mr. Matthew Ugbor, thanked God for the life of his mother, who sacrificed a lot to ensure that all her children became successful in life.
Na-ekene ndị ọgọm Chief Anthony Ugoji, na-ekenekwa ndị ọgọm ndị ọzọ. Ikwu na ibe onye ahụ na-abịa n'ụbọchị taa. The
State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Afam Obidike, the State Chief of Protocol and Deputy Chief of Staff to Governor Chukwuma Soludo, Chief Chinedu Moye, the Mayor of Anocha Local Government Area, Chief Romanus Ibekwe, among others, attended the burial ceremony of late Mrs. Ugbor.